Oppo is preparing the latest Reno 13 series. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro Plus will be 16GB of RAM. This Oppo's Reno 13 Pro Plus is said to have arrived with one of the most powerful chipsets. In terms of display, it is fitted with an 80LTP OLED capacitive touchscreen display with the massive internal memory of 512GB, making it enough to store a pretty amount of your data. With the addition of an octa-core CPU in order to deliver the extreme performance and a smooth refresh rate as well. While on the back side, there will be massive camera sensors. They are looking very attractive due to their amazing design pattern. There will be an in-display fingerprint sensor. There is no doubt that the Reno 13 Pro Plus will be powered by a big battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.